Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can find your LinkedIn ID. Okay, let's get into it guys. First thing first, you can go to your LinkedIn apps or website. Make sure you have logged into the LinkedIn. And here I'm just going to open the LinkedIn app on my mobile phone. And if you want to find our LinkedIn ID, we can go to our profile. You can tap on your profile and then I'm going to tap on view profile. Okay, and I'm going to click on this edit icon or this pencil icon to view my LinkedIn ID. And then we can scroll down and then click on edit contact information. Okay, and this is my LinkedIn ID, guys. As you can see, this is the unique ID of my LinkedIn, and you will be able to change it if you want. You just need to tap on that, and then you're going to click on edit your custom URL. Alright guys, and that's all the way to find our LinkedIn ID. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.